Okay guys, checking in. It's several hours later. We are currently back in Manhattan. We are waiting in line for juniors. Yep. So we heard it was the place to be, one of the places to be, so we're trying it out tonight. So yeah, we're gonna, hopefully this line moves quickly, and hopefully the food is just as good as we've heard it is, so we'll see what happens. But I'll check in with you guys once we're seated and food starts to come out. Hey guys, our food has came out. I got the steak burger, Damien got the seafood platter, and Jade got the brisket. And then their hot chocolate, oh my gosh guys, this is the best hot chocolate I've had in a long time. It was so good. I'm about to dig in. Okay guys, we just left. The wind is clapping right now. We give it an 8 out of a 10. Yeah, so if you're in New York, try Junior's because it was definitely delish.
I didn't try the cheesecake though.
Yeah, supposedly they're known for their cheesecake, but we're going drunk bowling. I've never heard of it, but Jade is the one who suggested. So
I'm the alcoholic, yeah.
We're headed inside the bowling alley right now.
Hi guys, we are fucked up.
So gone. How many shots did we have?
10.
Oh my gosh,
5
guys.
each.
Jade is trying to kill me, okay? Huh? Hold on, guys. We'll be back. Shine a fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa. Guys, the drunk bowling has started and I am gone, okay? It's Jade's turn up now. Money's fucked up. Guys, it's the next morning, and as you can tell by my hair, it was a hell of a night. We're not going to talk about what happened, but just know.
Them shots hit.
So,
like a fucking bullet train.
We're going to end this vlog here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.